Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Volvo S40. This four-door sedan has a 5-cylinder, 2.4-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.